Did you know that nearly 60% of users believe marketing emails influence their purchases significantly? Email marketing is thriving, contrary to the misconception that social media has taken over. However, many marketers face a hidden enemy: their emails land in spam folders, unseen by potential customers. One major reason for this is targeting the wrong audience. Are you sending emails to the right people? Without permission, your emails could face dire consequences under strict regulations like GDPR and Can Spam Act. It's crucial to clean your email list regularly. Inactive subscribers might signal to providers that you're not relevant. Another pitfall is misleading subject lines. Poorly worded lines can trigger spam complaints from wary users. Your email copy also matters. Certain words and phrases can trigger spam filters, landing you in the wrong folder. Engagement is key. Low open rates can harm your sender reputation and irritate inbox providers. Finally, don't overlook email authentication. Protocols like DKIM and SPF can protect your credibility and ensure deliverability.